Ever wondered why your hair isn't growing as fast as you'd like, or why it feels so brittle and dry? The solution might be closer than you think. Many people struggle with these same hair growth issues, and the answer often lies in natural remedies. Utilizing nature's bounty for hair care can offer numerous benefits, like fewer side effects and greater affordability, compared to synthetic products. Today, we'll delve into one natural remedy that's been a part of traditional hair care routines for centuries: cinnamon. Cinnamon, a common kitchen spice, holds hidden powers for hair growth. This unassuming spice is packed with properties that make it a hair growth champion. It's all about stimulating blood circulation. By encouraging blood flow to the scalp, cinnamon helps to nourish and rejuvenate hair follicles, leading to healthier, faster-growing hair. It's like a wake-up call for your scalp, spurring it into action and promoting fresh growth. Now that we know what cinnamon can do, let's explore how to use it for our hair. One of the easiest ways to use cinnamon for hair growth is by making a cinnamon-infused hair oil. To make this potent growth booster, you'll need just a handful of items. Start with 2 tablespoons of your favorite carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon and mix it well into the oil. To infuse the oil, heat it gently over a low flame, ensuring the mixture doesn't boil. Once it's warm, turn off the heat and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. This allows the cinnamon to infuse into the oil, creating a powerful concoction that can stimulate hair growth. Applying this oil is a breeze. Simply massage it into your scalp, leaving it on for about 30 minutes before washing it out. Use this treatment once or twice a week, and you'll start to see results. This cinnamon hair oil is a simple yet effective remedy for boosting hair growth. But cinnamon's potential doesn't stop at hair oil. It can also be incorporated into your shampoo and hair treatments. To create a cinnamon-infused shampoo, simply add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon to your regular shampoo bottle and shake well. Use this as you would your regular shampoo, and let the magic begin. Now for a nourishing hair treatment mask, combine 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the roots and scalp, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it out with warm water. These remedies are not just simple and natural, they're also packed with benefits. Cinnamon stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth, while honey and coconut oil provide essential hydration. For best results, use these treatments once or twice a week. With these cinnamon-infused products, you're well on your way to healthier, faster-growing hair. So, what have we learned about the power of cinnamon for hair growth? Quite a lot, actually. We've discovered that this common spice, often found tucked away in our kitchen cupboards, can be a hair care champion. We've learned how to harness the benefits of cinnamon in a hair growth oil recipe. This potent mixture combines the stimulating properties of cinnamon with the nourishing elements of carrier oils, providing a powerful boost to our hair follicles. We also journeyed through the process of creating a cinnamon-infused shampoo and a hair treatment. These recipes use the unique properties of cinnamon to cleanse the scalp, promote blood circulation, and stimulate hair growth. To sum it all up, cinnamon isn't just for adding a dash of flavor to your favorite dishes. It's a versatile ingredient that can contribute significantly to your hair growth journey. Remember, the secret to beautiful hair might just be hiding in your spice rack. Give cinnamon a try and see the difference it can make.